Don Warren here, your awesome VA home loan guide. Service members, you've just recently received your PCS orders, for example, or you're expecting to receive those anytime. Hey, you normally receive those every 2 to 3 years, so you know you're going to be moving to a new duty station. Here's what you need to be considering. This is just one of many things on this. One, you want to have and build up a good relationship with the realtor in the area and the base area that you're going to be moving to. Very important. Also, a trusted lender like myself who can help you make decisions and give you some advice as far as how to get yourself in the best position possible to be able to buy. A realtor and your lender can, especially a realtor, can help you go through the process of, should I rent? Should I buy? What can I do with my current home? If you currently own, do you want to rent that out? Do you want to sell it? There's a lot of considerations. So talk to the experts. That would be me as your lender. That would be talking to a realtor in the local area. Hey, one thing you could do is look up for a military relocation professional. I actually teach the class to realtors on behalf of the National Association of Realtors. So there's a lot that they understand on that. So we want to make sure that you are in the right hands. Be sure to reach out to me to start on that journey to make sure that you're in the best position possible. It is never too early to start that process, to look, to make sure all of your credit's in order, your income's going to be okay, any debts that you can look at eliminating, just kind of getting financially better on there, because we want to put you in the best position. So again, reach out to me. My number is on the screen. It's in the description. Be sure to like, follow, and subscribe.